Hi, very well. Good morning. Myself Manikandan, Department of Pharmaceutics, SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. This video topic about BMC business modeling canvas about Siemens products of manufacturing. It is a It is a topic about smart manufacturing for pharmaceuticals in engineering, resilience, and speed. We are currently in the we are currently facing the crucial challenge in global healthcare. Today, more than half of the drug shortages are attributed to manufacturing delays and quality related issues in an era where speed, scale, efficiency, and than the primary drivers of market era, with the speed, scale, and efficiency and the primary drivers market success in the pressure on pharmaceutical manufacturers. Manufacturers have been higher to meet influencing global demand. How can we maximize operational readiness and delivery saving products? And then speed, scale, efficiency as a three comparative compromissory layers of in quality accommodate fluctuating the delivery marketing success and never sacrifice quality. And then talk about legacy and manufacturing. Agile smart manufacturing. It is a three process: engineering, execution, and operations. It access a driven data architecture. At the end-to-end approach to readiness, operational readiness. It is a beyond virtual validation in rethink the physical layout of factory. It is significantly speed up engineering, adopting modular plant and the equipment designs. It is a pivot scale accommodate production mixed product portfolios, allowing the adaptation of facility to different medications without a need of a total plantful overhaul. And then move to agile engineering via digital twin. It is a virtual validation in human error through paperless manufacturing. And then modelize and digitalize comparison in smart manufacturing products. And then move to intelligent operations through IoT and edge technology. IoT, it is made possible by leveraging IoT and edge technology. These tools allow to collect real time data and the insight across the entire production chain that provides your leadership with the full visibility, give them the power to make better decisions faster based upon that for happening to flow right now rather than the waiting for post batch reports. And then move to closed loop advantage. Closed loop advantage is business resilience, which must to adapt to end-to-end approach to operations by utilizing Siemens accelerated portfolio on software and hardware solutions. You can rapidly implement production process that the virtually developed, fully integrated, and sustainable. In then the enabler Siemens accelerator in a software solutions hardware solutions combining into virtually developing classifications in powerful data. It is a life saving products in pharmaceutical revolutions. In then the ultimate outcome is at a greater achiever greater achiever product production target and drive continuous operations that made leveraging inside the entire production chain in uncover powerful data life saving products. Transform with Siemens Smart Manufacturing for Pharmaceuticals. Transform for pharmaceuticals to operational excellence is about consistency pro right first time. It is a most effective way approved the elective eliminate human error through paperless manufacturing to digital workflows. Data point is connected automatically, ensuring and compliance precision. When paired to flexible production practices, paperless system allow to facility. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you for the wonderful opportunity.